on the axis of electric dipole. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Last class we did what is electric field intensity at any point on the electric dipole. What is electric dipole moment? What is electric dipole moment?
Two equal and opposite charges separated by
No,
finite
that is
distance.
called electric dipole. Electric dipole moment is product of any one charge forming electric dipole and finite distance between them. So it is denoted by P equals to Q into 2A. Derive expression for electric field intensity at any point at any point on the equator of electric dipole. Write this heading. Derive expression for electric field intensity at any point on equator of electric dipole. At any point on equator of electric dipole. Just look at diagram first. Consider an electric dipole consisting of two equivalent opposite charge minus q plus q separated by distance 2a or 2l. Let O be the center of dipole. Therefore, OA equals to OB equals to L. Let P be a point let P be a point at a distance R from center O on the equator of dipole. This much you all have followed? Hello, any doubt till this in diagram?
No, sir.
Please complete this much. Just run the diagram.
Yes, sir.
Then it is written, consider an electric dipole consisting of two equivalent opposite charges minus q plus q separated by distance 2l. Let O be the center of dipole. Therefore, OA equals to OB equal to L, PB a point at distance R from center O on the equator of dipole. Please copy till this. Completed full?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me what is distance of charge Q from P? Distance of charge Q from P. AP, no? AP. So I'm drawing seg AP so that I get distance of charge Q from P. Similarly, draw PB. So you get minus Q from P is at PB distance. Can I say PA equal to PB?
Yes, sir.
PA is same as PB because you can see this right angle triangle with same height and same base. So PA equals to PB is root of R square plus L square. If these two sides are equal, what is this triangle called?
Isosceles triangle.
For isosceles triangle, what you know about base angle? Base angles are congruent. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can I say angle PBA equals to PAB is equals to theta? Please complete the diagram further. We want expression for electric field intensity at any point on the equator. So I started with electric dipole consisting of equal opposite charge minus Q plus Q, separated by distance 2L. OB the center, OA equal to OB equal to L. P is the point at distance R from center O on the equator. Draw PA and PB. PA is same as PB, which is root of R square plus L square. Angle PBA equals to PAB equal to theta. Complete this much. After drawing the diagram, complete the three lines. Draw PA and PB. PA equal to PB equal to root R square plus L square. Measure angle PAB equal to PBA equal to theta.
Done, sir.
Okay. Can I clear the right up part? Yes, everybody has completed writing.
Yes, sir.
Swam and Mohit, you all have completed writing? The joint
Yes,
late
sir.
completed writing?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now, can you tell me what is direction of intensity for positive charge, outward or inward? Intensity for positive charge is directed outward or inward?
Outward.
Outward. And for negative charge,
Inward.
what is formula for magnetic field intensity due to charge Q? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, just see the diagram. Intensity at point P due to charge at A, this is positive charge, will be directed outward like this. Intensity at point P due to positive charge Q is directed outward given by E1. Na? So I can say E1 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon AP square. Therefore, E1 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square plus L square. It is directed outwards. Let this be my equation number 1. Intensity at point P due to charge Q, comma E1 equals 2. Copy full now. Draw diagram and then write this further. In diagram, show E1 properly outward and then write further.
Sir,
Yes.
so that is Q upon
AP square, A to
Okay.
P distance, AP square, A to P distance, and AP is root. So when you square it, root will vanish. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Consider electric dipole consisting of equal opposite charge minus Q plus Q separated by distance 2L. Let O be the center of dipole. Therefore, OS equals to OA equals to OB equals to L. Let P be a point at a distance R on the equator of dipole. Draw seg AP and PB. Therefore, AP equal to PB equals to root of AR square plus L square. Measure angle PAB equal to PBA equals to theta. Intensity at point P is given by E1 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon AP square. Therefore, E1 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square plus L square. It is directed outward as shown in the figure. This much we did. Now, intensity at point P due to charge minus Q will be given by E2, and magnitude of E2 will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon PB square. So E2 equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon again R square plus L square. Equation 2. It is directed inwards. So intensity at P due to negative charge at B, comma E2 equals 2. Please complete till this now. In diagram show E2 and write till equation 2 again. Completed.
No, sir.
So we got E1, E2. Actually, we are interested in resultant, not individual Q and individual minus Q. So I'm drawing one ray parallel to AB. Parallel to A to B. Can you suggest me what will be these two angles? Are they alternate angles?
Alternate angles.
So this is theta. Is it theta then?
Yes, sir.
So I can resolve E2 in two component. E2
To
sin
sine theta
theta,
and d to cos theta.
E2 cos theta. Similarly, these two lines are parallel. What is this transversal? And these two angles are what?
Corresponding.
So even this is theta. So this is E1 and this is theta. Can you resolve into two component? E1 cos horizontal and E1 sin vertical. Yes, can I resolve this? E1 also in two component. Hello. Can we resolve E1 into component?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
E1 sin theta and horizontal में E1 cos theta. Diagram is completed now. Please complete the diagram, then I am explaining further. Yes, Siddharth, why you are on time?
Sorry, sir, I'm late.
But why last class you attended? Before that you said I didn't have doubt, and this is third
Nahi,
lecture.
sir.
Yes.
Nahi, sir, I was not knowing about the class. I have not seen the whole recorded lecture. The recorded lecture you would have told me last. I left the meeting early na last time. I had to go to college. So I saw the message now.
No, but this is not the right approach. No? When you leave early, then it is your job to see the message.
Yeah, sir.
I think before you left, we had discussed about extra class.
Yeah, sir, I left before that.
So whenever you leave that way, you should either see the message or ask some of your friend, na, what sir taught after I left.
Yes, sir.
Because these are not very easy chapter if you don't understand. If you understand, it is like maths.
Yes, sir.
So be punctual, read everything, be alert. Okay, right.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Even Aditya, you came late. Aditya here. Why you're late, Aditya?
Sir, I went out and I was late.
For what you went out, beta?
Sir, I had to buy some medicines.
Medicines.
Yes.
Somebody is not keeping well.
Yeah. Actually, my grandmother is sick. So I have to
Okay,
buy
okay, okay.
medicine.
Just complete the diagram further. E1 resolved into two components, E2 resolved into two components. Completed diagram full?
Yes, sir.
Now see further. E1 comma E2 can be resolved into two rectangular components. Two rectangular components. E1 sine theta comma E1 cos theta and E2 sine theta comma E2 cos theta. As E1 sine theta comma E1 E2 sine theta are equal and opposite, hence they cancel each other because E1 E2 value is same, so E1 sine E2 sine value same, direction opposite, so two vector equal opposite, result is 0, they cancel each other. Thus the resultant intensity comma E will be E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. Okay, copy till this. Yes, you all have written full now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm clearing everything now. Resultant intensity E cos theta, E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. So therefore E becomes E1 cos theta plus E1 cos theta, since E1 is same as E2. Therefore E will become 2 times E1 cos theta. So E equals to 2 times 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon r square plus L square, and cos theta. Can you see the diagram and tell me what is cos theta? Adjacent side L upon root of r square plus L square.
Yes,
Correct? So we can say E equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2L upon r square plus L square raised to 3 by 2. Root means power half and this entire bracket power 1. So it is like a raised to 1 into a raised to half will become a raised to 3 by 2. Okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Q into 2L is P, which is called electric dipole moment. So I can say E is P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square plus L square raised to 3 by 2. Since L is very less than R, so L square can be neglected. L square can be neglected. Therefore, I can say E equals to P upon P upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square raised to 3 by 2. So E equals to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. For axis it was 2p, and for equator we are getting only p. It is directed opposite to p bar because dipole moment is from minus to plus, and here we got this resultant from plus to minus. Okay. Hello, any doubt? Direction part? Direction part, any doubt is there?
sir.
Okay, please copy till this. थोड़ा lengthy proof है. If college has done this, they can ask this for 4 marks. Whether you have objective exam or subjective?
Sir, objective.
Done, sir.
Okay. So we got intensity due to point charge at a distance r as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square, and due to electric dipole on the axis 2p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube, and on equator p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. This is outward for positive, inward for negative. Here it is along P bar. Here it is opposite to P bar. See. Next now. We got axis, we got equator. Now any point. Derive expression for electric field intensity at any point due to electric dipole. So now it is not particular point axis equator, it can be any point due to electric dipole. Please write the heading, then I will draw the diagram and then we'll see explanation. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now see how to start. Same history. Consider an electric dipole consisting of positive and negative charge separated by distance 2L. Let O be the center of dipole. Therefore, OA equals to OB equals to L. Let C be a point. P is for dipole, so I'm writing C here. Let C be a point at a distance R from center O, such that line joining OC makes angle theta with the axis. Please copy this much first. Consider, first you all draw the diagram. An electric dipole consisting of two equal and opposite charges minus q comma plus q separated by distance 2L. Let O be the center of dipole. Therefore, OA equals to OB equals to L. Let C be a point at a distance R from center O such that line joining OP makes angle theta with the axis.
Sir, it should be OC, right?
OC. Line joining OC makes angle theta with the axis. Generally, I take P, so first time I took C, that's right.
Yes.
Completed?
Yes.
See, now C is neither on axis nor on equator, so I cannot find the formula. But we know that P bar is a vector quantity directed from negative charge to positive charge. Any vector can you resolve into two components? Hello? This is direction of P bar from minus to plus. Can I resolve any vector into two components? Don't think much. We can resolve any vector into two components. Can't we?
Yes, sir.
So P, therefore P can be resolved into two components. P cos theta vector along OP and P sin theta perpendicular to OP. This is A, B to A is P. So I can have two components. Theta का बाजू वाला is P cos theta. ये पूरा P है इधर से इधर तक. And this is P sin theta. That means this is a vector. I resolved P cos. I resolved as P sin. फिर इसको खाली ऐसा extend किया बस. This much clear? Hello?
Yes.
So this C ये इसका लाइन में है ना. If you call this as A1, B1, this as B2, A2. तो कैन आई से A1 B1 का एक लाइन पे है ना, एक ही लाइन पे. तो ये डाइपोल मोमेंट है, मतलब इधर डाइपोल होना चाहिए ना, माइनस क्यू प्लस क्यू का पार्ट, एज्यूम्ड वन. इधर भी ऐसा होना चाहिए ना, -2 प्लस एज्यूम्ड वन. हेलो हेलो.
Yes, sir.
P bar is vector quantity. We can resolve into two component, P cos theta along OC and P sin theta perpendicular to OC. So my point C is like it is on the axis of dipole, whose moment is P cos theta. एक ही लाइन में ना ऐसा ही. और ये P sin theta का इक्वेटर पे है, परपेंडिकुलर है इसलिए. Now I know axis वाला फॉर्मूला, I know equator वाला फॉर्मूला, I know direction. If they are perpendicular, I'll be using Pythagoras theorem. Any angle, parallelogram law to add. Yes, clear this much?
Yes, sir.
Because P bar is vector, so you can resolve it into two components, P cos theta and P sin. Thus we can say C is a point on the axis of electric dipole having dipole moment P sin theta, P cos theta. So what will be direction of this P cos theta wala intensity along P cos theta? ऐसा जाएगा ना outward A. Not followed. This is E due to axis along the line joining axis. Everybody is followed first direction part.
Yes, sir.
तो ये P sin theta का इक्वेटर मतलब ऐसा डायरेक्ट होएगा ना, opposite to P sin theta, which we wrote for equator. So this will be E for equator. नहीं समझा?
Can you explain once again?
This is axis, so this is the direction. This is इसका इक्वेटर पे C, तो ऐसा आएगा ना.
I got, sir.
Follow?
Yes.
So that means we have two vectors, E axis and E equator. Are they perpendicular to each other? This E axis and E equator, are they perpendicular to each other?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if two vectors are perpendicular, how to find their result? Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras. So E axis, E equator are perpendicular to each other. Their resultant E can be found by Pythagoras theorem. Suppose it is making alpha angle with E axis. Have you followed diagram first? Everybody has followed diagram.
Yes, sir.
This was axis वाला line, इक्वेटर को ऐसा पैरेलल होता है, तो ये रिजल्टेंट मैंने पाइथागोरस थ्योरम कर दिया, पैरेललोग्राम. सो दिस इज माय रिजल्टेंट. ये एंगल, अब ये दोनों को ढूंढना है. प्लीज कॉपी द डायग्राम full diagram copy. This is the toughest derivation which we did. But again, if you know concept, axis पे point है तो it will be along P. इक्वेटर पे है तो एंटी पैरेलल और ऑपोजिट टू P. Please complete properly. P cos, P sine, then E axis, E equator, then that parallelogram which is like square here.
Done, sir.
Okay, everybody has completed diagram properly. See, then I'm removing this everything. Can I clear the screen full?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write up. As P bar is a vector. Yes, Aryan, what you want? As P bar is a vector quantity, it can be resolved into two rectangular components. P cos theta along OC and P sin theta perpendicular to OC. Thus, C lies on axis of electric dipole having dipole moment P cos theta. Therefore, E axis equals to 2. P is now P cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. It is directed along OC. Yes, have you followed this much? Just check whether you have followed this, or shall I again explain? Shall I again explain this part?
Followed.
Okay. Since C lies on equator of electric dipole having dipole moment P sin theta. So E equator equals to P sin theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. It is directed perpendicular to OC. Just copy this much, then I'm finding resultant of E axis and equator. Am I clear now? Full?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everybody is done. Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, resultant intensity, comma E is Pythagoras of E axis and E equator. So E equals to root of 2p cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube square plus p sin theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube the whole square. So we can write this as p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube outside the root because it is square, so I can take outside, inside 2 cos theta square plus sine theta square. Any doubt in this common part? This which I have taken common that you followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So E becomes P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube root of 4 cos square theta plus sine square theta. What is formula for sine square theta in terms of cos?
1 minus cos square theta.
1 minus cos square theta. So can I say it will be final answer 4 pi epsilon naught r cube 3 cos square theta plus 1? 4 cos square minus 1 cos square is 3 cos square plus 1. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Write down further then. This is expression for intensity at any point due to electric dipole. So thank you all for attending the lecture late night. After this, I will take just 2 minutes and then we will stop. So all major derivation I have completed, just 3 definition and 1 characteristics is left out. So we got magnitude, still direction is pending. Comfortably complete and then say.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yeah, shall I clear this again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we want direction of this resultant intensity E bar. Let alpha be the angle made by E bar with OC. Therefore, from figure, tan alpha is opposite side, which is E equator, upon adjacent, which is E axis. So tan alpha will be P sine theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube divided by 2p cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube. So P upon 4 pi epsilon naught, P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r cube cancel. Tan alpha is sine theta upon 2 cos theta. So tan alpha will be half of tan theta. So alpha is tan inverse of half tan theta. So once you know theta, you can find alpha by using this formula. This completes your entire derivation. Now there is no derivation, only properties and definition. Please copy this much. So this much we are going to do today. Completed?
Done, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. Tomorrow please revise and then attend so that you will understand better.